Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Most dryer repairs will require some disassembly of the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the power cord. To access the main control board, remove the screws at the rear securing the top panel. Now slide the panel back and lift it off. You can access the user control board by carefully pulling the control panel off from the top. Then disconnect the wire harness to fully release the panel. To access components like the door switch and the heating element assembly, you will need to remove the front panel. To do this, uninstall the screws on top securing the panel. Open the dryer door and remove the remaining two front panel mounting screws. Now use a flathead screwdriver to depress the locking tabs and pull the front panel forward. Disconnect the door switch wire and lift off the panel. You will need to remove the drum to access components like the drive motor and blower assembly. To do this, first unthread the screws securing the support bracket. Detach the support bracket from the frame. Remove the wire harness from the twist retainers and set the bracket aside. Disconnect the light bulb wire and remove the wire harness from the bulkhead twist retainers if you haven't already done so. Now remove the screws securing the front bulkhead. Remove the blower housing mounting screw as well. Disconnect the moisture sensor wire harness. You can now pull the bulkhead off. Reach under the drum and push the idler pulley to release the tension on the belt. Then unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. You can use the belt to help lift the drum out of the cabinet. If you need to remove the rear bulkhead, first unthread the screw securing the heating element housing to the mounting bracket and set the housing aside. Now remove the screws on the back of the cabinet securing the rear bulkhead. Pull out the locking ring from the water inlet valve and depress the collar to release the water line. Be prepared for some water to spill. Detach the wire harness from the twist retainer, and you can lift out the rear bulkhead. To reinstall the rear bulkhead and to reassemble the dryer, hook the bulkhead tabs onto the rear wall of the cabinet. Replace the screws in the back to secure. Make sure the wire harness is secured in the twist retainer. Reinsert the water line into the valve and replace the locking ring. Reposition the heating element housing by inserting the rear of the housing into the bulkhead. Align the front tab on the bracket and replace the screw. Return the drum to the dryer cabinet and align it on the rear rollers. Loop the belt around the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Now, rotate the drum to help align the belt. Reposition the front bulkhead on the cabinet frame. Replace the mounting screws. Replace the blower housing screw as well. Reconnect the moisture sensor wire harness. Reconnect the light bulb wire and secure it in the twist retainer. Secure the wire harness in the bulkhead twist retainers. Now secure the wire harness in the support bracket retainers. Realign the support bracket. And secure it with the screws. Replace the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel with the tabs on the base. Reconnect the wire to the door switch and snap the top half of the panel into position. Replace all of the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness on the control panel. Then align the tabs on the bottom of the control panel with the slots in the trim and snap the top edge into place. Reposition the top panel by aligning the edge of the panel with the tabs on the support bracket. Then push forward. Replace the screws in the back. With the dryer fully reassembled, plug the power cord back in and confirm that the appliance is functioning properly.